Sarthi Academy.
So good afternoon everyone. So I'm really honored to be in front of all the parents, students. So I don't think I'm going to speak anything more about Sarthi already. You have experienced, you have heard the students and parents. So I would like to just tell one foundational principle of our academy. So Sarthi Academy, the name is very nice because it contains Sarthi. And Lord Krishna's name is also Partha. So Lord Krishna, even though he is the Supreme Lord, he takes the position of Sarthi of Arjuna. He takes the position of menial role of like being a charioteer of Arjuna. So in the same inspiration, in the same mood, we all the teachers, all the staff, all the people involved in Sarthi Academy, we take the same mood and we also want to be the servant of our students. Even though we have more experience, we are more knowledgeable, we are more qualified, still our heart is, we always want to serve our students. So no matter what is required to serve the students, we'll do. Be it talking for hours with the students, being it late night, being it doubt clearing, being it personally counseling students, whatever is required, we are always there to help the students. And that is the testimony of many of the students. So this is the final thing which I wanted to tell. And so Pratish, can you speak? No? Okay. Sign out first. So in a few minutes the arrangement for the lunch will be there. So all the present guests, parents and students can take the lunch, and this is how we conclude the program. So I'd like to invite this one with announcement. So every year in Sarthi we conduct an examination called Sarthi Admission Test. So this is the examination for students who want to appear, want to join Sarthi for next year. So any student of class 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 who are interested to join Sarthi next year. So they have to appear for this test, Sarthi Admission Test. So the date for this test will be in first week of January. So we'll be informing the dates. So anyone who is interested, they can fill in the form or they can call the given numbers. So this is there. So I would like to invite Vaishi for giving the Thanksgiving note.
Nothing beats a thankful heart, and a vote of thanks is the perfect way to let your heart speak for all the things that you're grateful for. I feel honored to present the vote of thanks on behalf of Sarthi Academy. I extend my gratitude to our guests and all other respected principals. It is my pleasure to thank all the teachers on and off the stage, not only for participating, but also for guiding us to a beautiful life. I sincerely thank all the non-teaching staffs, technical members for glorifying this function. I would like to wholeheartedly thank all other audience and our dear parents who have joined us today. Last but not the least, I thank all the students and my seniors for enthusiastically arranging this function. Without you all, this function would not be a success. Thank you everyone.
I'm sorry for the informal nature of it. I'd just like to extend the vote of thanks because there are few more people actually who have helped us a lot. All this did not happen just with our own capability. And since many of them are present here, I'd just like to at least take their names. And kindly forgive me if I forget anyone's name, but a lot of the parents and many of the well-wishers have supported us right from the beginning. We'd like to Harinath Singh sir, Harinder Singh sir, His son is Ratin Singha, computer science 4th year. And he's junior to us. He is second stand up. Mr. Harendra Singha. His son Ratin Singha he's our junior, he's a very close friend. Thank you, sir. He's a topper in computer science department rank, and he has the highest rank in Bengal, opening rank in Kharagpur. And sir has really helped us, along with his son. Sir has helped us a lot right from the beginning. Then after that we have Mr. Agarwal ji. You can stand up. Suresh Agarwal. Then we have Mr. Umesh Seth. Then we have Mr. Rajat Bala. We have Mr. Srishti Chakravarti. Then we have Mr. Sushant Nimai sir. Sushant Nimai sir. Thank you, sir. And plenty of other people have also helped us right from the starting. And we are really indebted, sir. Without all your support, all whatever success we have got, it would not have been possible. Thank you very much, sir, for your support. Okay, so now the arrangements are finally done. Now for the most awaited part for all the children and for most of us, we'll proceed for the finals. Thank you very much. Welcome to Satya Academy. We'll have